Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now if you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you like what you see, be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for joining the MumNatural family. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you for your continued support. Now guys, remember, turn on that notification bell so you can see every time I upload a video. But I wanted to just come on here today guys to give you all a quick update on the Curly Proverbz hair growth oil that I have been using for the past month or so. Now if you saw the length check video that I did with my daughter, I will link it in the iCards on top that you can go check it out. You would see in there that our plan was to start using the Curly Proverbz hair growth oil as we progressed in our hair growth journey. Now guys, I really want to get your feedback on this oil. I have been using it for the past month or so. Well, I will say about 3 weeks because honestly I have not used it for the past week. For the reason that my scalp itches like crazy when I use that oil. I mean like crazy. Like I said in that video back then, I tested it on our hair, but when we tested it, we put it on for 1 day. And we went a few days and there was nothing. But I guess in the constant, twice, 3 times a week using of the oil, let me tell you all, my scalp itches so bad. So bad. When I put my fingers in there and I itch, my scalp even feels a little sore. And I will confess, there are a few days I used my nails. Because it just felt so good using my nails, because it itched so much. But guys, I will say though, that I did start seeing a difference in my hair. For one, I noticed that it started shedding less when I was doing my wash. 2, I noticed that the volume on my hair started getting back there. So there are pros to the oil. I will say 3, my hair kind of actually started shining a little more. I don't know, although the oil was basically being put on my scalp, but I guess when, putting on my satin scarf after doing the massages, it seeped through and just, went through the entire head and went through all the strands. So I do find that it has an extra gloss and it has that extra shine to it. But guys, I am not sure if I can tolerate the itching. It is just so much. So I am not sure if it is something in there that is really not going with me so much, or if it's just me. So I really want to hear from you all. Any of you all who have tried the hair growth oil before, let me know if you have had any issues with the itching, so I can know if it's some form of normal to experience some of the itching. I don't know. I really don't know. But I mean, I really want to continue using it because I can already tell the difference in my hair. I may just use it once a week if it has to come down to that, and I guess on other days I just use one of my other oils or something. But I really think that it does make a difference. I think I have started seeing a little length increase in my strands, so I will do an official length check soon that you all can see, or maybe after about another month or so. But I really want you all to let me know guys, so that I can know if it's just me, so that I can just stop using it totally, or if it's something that everyone else or a few other people have experienced based on their using of that oil. But I just wanted to come here to just give you all these quick updates because I kind of really wanted your input as well, so that I can know what happens with the oil in the hair growth challenge going forward. So let me know in the comment section below, what are your views, what are your thoughts, what has been your experience using that oil, so that I can know what goes on next. Now if you're wondering about my hair, I will also link that video in the iCards on top that you can go check it out. It's my very first wash and go, and guys, I am loving it so far. This is now day 3 hair. Right, so for more on that wash and go, I will link the video up top that you can go check it out as well. Now guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.